Welcome back, and we are asked to evaluate this antiderivative in respect to x. So what we are going to do is very simple. Let me start. Let's say solution. Okay, we can do integration by parts. We can factor out 8. So we have 8 cos 4x dx. Okay, and this is very simple. So if you have any function, then there's a function inside it, especially when you have this trigonometric function, then you now have a linear function inside it. So for you to find the antiderivative, you are just going to use the function inside this antifunction to multiply the entire function. Then you now find the antiderivative of the trigonometric function. So let's say this is going to be 8 multiplied by, now we are going to say 1 over 4 multiplied by now sine 4x, then plus c. And that is it, okay? Whenever you have a composite function like this. So this is going to be 8 out of 4 sine 4x plus c. So our final answer will now be sine 2 sine 4, because this is going to cancel this. We have 2. We have 4x plus c. And that is how to do it.